Look what I got back. I got my seat. All new reupholstered seat. The only issue is there's a slight lip here. So I think one of the foams on the inside got pulled back when he's putting the fabric on. So that's the only thing. Apart from that, it looks nice. There's a little bit of excess fabric which I think will shrink after time exposed to the sun. But other than that, it looks great. So one small bit of the work is done. It does look neat. The color really shines now because rather than the dull red that it had before. There was one issue I had though, which is to do with the exhaust gas leak that was coming from the interface between the exhaust pipe and the actual standard muffler that I have. So where it interfaces, normally there's a graphite gasket that sits in there. So for the XLR, the inner diameter is 39 millimeters, the outer diameter being 44. However, when I tried to fit this here, I had an issue because the clearances on the muffler side is not enough to actually sit the gasket in there. So this has a reduced uh, diameter on it. I think it's been modified a little bit so that you can eliminate the gasket altogether. However, it was still leaking, and I ended up using a high temperature silicone gasket sealant there instead because the clearances were too small, and I put enough in there, so it has prevented the leak from taking place. So yeah, that's one problem sorted. So a couple of small things to clean up.